Thank you for joining us for the webinar today. So I'm Lisa, the technical sales from Maha Chemical Singapore, who in charge for the sales for laboratory equipments and lab consumables. Throughout this webinar, you will have a better understanding on who is Biuged, what are the common testing solutions used in paint and coating industry, what are the new testing instruments from Biuged, and what are the benefits of using Biuged instruments. So let me give a brief introduction of Maha Chemicals. So Maha Chemicals, founded in 1975, we have been in the market for 45 years. We are the specialty chemicals and equipment solution distribution with the HQ in Singapore, and we have regional offices around the Southeast Asia, including Myanmar, Vietnam, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and so on. So an overview for Maha Chemicals. Our top tier managers has over 15 years experience in the market. We have about 188 employees. We're working with over 200 suppliers and over 2,000 customers. We have 12 warehousings and over 1,000 stock keeping units regionally. So Maha Chemicals has 4 main business units. The first 3, surface technology, engineering materials, and living sciences, are dealing with the specialty chemicals. So for surface technology, we have customers such as paint and coating, printing, ink, construction, adhesive. And for engineering materials, our customers are from plastic and rubber, lubricants. And for living sciences, sorry, please mute yourself. For those who just come in. Okay, so for living sciences, we have food industry, personal care, customer, pharmaceutical, and agriculture. So the last business unit, industrial solutions, we are dealing with the laboratory equipments, lab consumable, glassware, and 3D printing solutions. So now I will pass the mic to Sarah for her to go through the rest of the webinar.
First, it's our company introduction.
Biuged Instruments develops professional, precise, and cost-effective testing instruments for the coatings and inks industry. Through advanced science and technology, Biuged continuously performs research and development to improve product performance, which ensures quality product for our clients. Biuged's business provides a full series of testing instruments for paint, coating, and ink, calibration and measurement services, designed for professional laboratories, and training for quality inspectors and laboratory certifications. Covering an area of 5,000 square meters for R&D center and factory, Biuged is the largest manufacturer of testing instruments for coatings and inks. Moreover, we are the first company to develop and produce professional standard test-grade substrates in China. The Biuged Group of companies is composed of the following subsidiaries: Biuged Guangzhou Company Limited, Biuged Trading Company Limited, and Biuged Shanghai Company Limited. At present, we have more than 100 employees, including more than 30 with bachelor degrees or above. Biuged has more than 40 sales agents all over the world. We are the only manufacturer of coating instruments in China whose products all have been certified to conform to the European CE standards. We keep the maximum investment in research and development. The Biuged R&D team consists of many engineers experienced in areas such as coating quality testing, electromechanical industry, automation technology, and precision machining. Using the latest testing technology and standards, Biuged has launched more than 30 innovating testing instruments in China, which include 10 technical patents and intellectual property rights. Product quality is Biuged's core value. Our products are in accordance with international standards such as ISO, ASTM, EM, BS, and our manufacturing process is subject to the strictest quality control procedures. For each product produced by Biuged, its original inspection records are being kept for at least 3 years. At present, our calibration laboratory is the first and only third-party institution in China that specializes in calibration and measurement services for coating and paint testing instruments. In order to control our product quality and accuracy, Biuged only selects technical components of world-class manufacturers to always keep a high reliability and quality for each product. We make continuous efforts to enhance our instruments' functions and to ensure clients obtain a high reproducibility and comparability of test results. As a main member of the Technical Committee for Standardization of Coatings and Paints, Biuged is involved in draft and revision work of Chinese governmental standards, and our staff attends several important academic meetings every year. We have drafted over 50 national standards related with testing methods for paint and coating. Biuged has received numerous awards like TC5 Advanced Member, famous brand of coatings instruments, certificate of tax credit rating Class A, etc. Quality first, customer first is Biuged's most important principle. Our strategic policy of precise, passionate, professional, and your quality, our assurance guides us forward. With almost 60 years experience as leading manufacturer of testing instruments, our professional and dedicated team, and our high management standards, Biuged sincerely looks forward to working with you by offering the best products and services for the paint, coating, and ink industry.
This is the list for some of our hot-selling products, just like some small items with viscosity cup, applicator finish, or pencil hardness. Those we will not spend time to talk about those. If you have any interesting, please contact Maha for further information. Then the first one is go to viscometer. There are many models for viscometer with different viscosity range. Now I focus on Krebs Stormer viscometer Biuged 186. 3 units at the same time. Come with infrared thermometer. Cell calibration by Standard Oil. This is our hot cell product. You also can see here is the touch screen for other model. That's also the rotor viscometer. And this is another model for Krebs Stormer viscometer. That is model Biuged 184. And next is automatic field applicator. You can see here the bottom right, this is the Jordan plate. Applied by manual, used for hard substrate. This Biuged 217 is a vacuum field applicator bed. Applied by manual with vacuum pump. So it can work for all kinds of substrate. Field applicator with holding device. Apply automatically without vacuum pump, so only for hard substrate. Then this is the automatic field applicator. This is much more popular. Apply automatically with vacuum pump, so work for all kinds of substrate, soft or hard. Then drying time recorder. We have 2 models, basic one and intelligent one. 6 samples can be tested together for both models. but model Biuged 262 can offer much more intelligent function by touch screen. 3 pairs of track can be set individually from 1 minute to 48 hours each very much. If you need much more, you can have tell us the special request. To get high precise location for the final text result by touch screen. Those is optional accessories. Then is impact texture and copying texture. There are 5 models for impact texture. Today, what you can see is model Biuged 305 and Biuged 306. There are 2 different models with different pouring weights and punch diameter for 2 different standards. This is impact texture. From model in the opposite direction of punch, from impact texture, punch is falling down. To copying texture, punch is going up. So model Biuged 309 digital copying texture to model 310 automatic copying texture. Automatic copying texture, cropping sample automatically, can see the text detail by touch screen, much more convenient. Okay, now it's pendulum hardness texture. It's the first unit of high precise pendulum hardness texture in China. You can choose K pendulum or P pendulum or both. So there are 3 models you can choose. The bottom numbers is the standard. This model can meet for those international standards. This is proof of adhesion texture. We have digital time and automatic time. Digital time is very popular in Middle East, Asia, and Europe market, and it's the first unit of in China. Upgrade model, automatic pour of adhesion texture. The difference comparing with the digital time is pouring out the dory automatically. Then it goes to the gross meter. It's base equipment for each industry. It's a very popular product in Biuged. Many customers come to Biuged for our gross meter. 1 angle, 2 angle, or 3 angles for your choice. Simple operation, high precision, stable performance. Software in Excel documentation, large memory. Trust you must can find the suitable one for yourself. Spectral photometer. Accurately measure the SCI and SCE reflectivity data of sample, including fluorescent sample. That's the point, because some spectral photometer cannot work for the fluorescent sample. Camera view locating system, helping to position fast, simply, and conveniently. Sure, for calorimeter, we also have. Just contact Maha for more details if you need. Then automatic scratch tester. There are 2 models, constant loading and variable loading. Both of them are come with different weights and different material size for stylus. Normally, constant loading Biuged 52021 is much more popular. This is a rotational ablation tester. 2 different speeds can be chosen, 16, 72 RPM per minute. Come with 1 pair of CS10 or CS17 ablation wheels. Resurfacing, medium disc cleaner, and glass panels are standard configuration so that you can start to do the test once getting the machine. Wet ablation screw tester. base model BGD526, upgrade model BGD528. Both of them can meet different international standards by changing different brushes. BGD528 can offer much more function. 2 solution bottles so that it can do 2 different tasks with different solution at the same time. Adjusting the drop value by touch screen. And you also can see those is the international standard. Those international standard, both of our model can meet of them. And you also can see those brushes for different standards too. Resistant texture. Different friction medium for different international standards makes 2 different equipments. This is the submixer. In fact, for our high-speed dispersion machine and versatile sand-milding dispersion agitator, the difference are versatile sand-milding dispersion agitator comes with the, maybe you can check this one. BGD740 is a high-speed dispersion machine, and BGD750 is the versatile sand-milding dispersion agitator. So what's the relationship? You can see BGD570 at 1 container and 2 pieces of sand-milding blades. It's equal the model BGD570. So that's the relationship. Is that those difference? Other are the same. Both of them over 5 models for different power, different speed, different lifting distance. This is our model BGD756. Basket mill machine. Zirconium material to make the basket is our model BGD756. This is our model BGD745, multifunction high-speed dispersion machine. This automatic location grabbing device for container. Monitor sample temperature. Those advantages are only for our model BGD745. High-low temperature and humidity chamber. You can see we have the many models for different temperature and different humidity. Sure, you also can choose the different size. If you have any more further questions, just contact Maha. Maybe we can customize for you. Okay, that is the substrate. In fact, we can offer all kinds of substrate for all kinds of tests. But now we talk about charts here only. If you need more, please contact Maha too. Carrier coat charts and field laminate charts are 2 different materials for different sizes. There are dozens of times for your reference. Then we can go to the next part. New products. Functometer, electric pencil hardness tester, automatic text panel spray or applicator, automatic cross-hatch tester. Then we can move to the next part. Why our customer will choose Biuged products. So I show you Biuged advantage here. There are 3 items, 3 points here to tell you why you choose Biuged products. One-stop purchase, professional service, perfect price performance ratio products. From machine to substrate, Biuged can offer whatever your lab needs, as long as you are paint or coatings industry. So it's very convenient. There are hundreds of Biuged products to support your lab. Professional service. We have a team to support our after-sales service so that we can solve the problem in time. Then, operation video. Just you can see as below the video. Most of products come with U-Flash for operation video so that it can teach customers how to use properly. And then Biuged products also come with calibration certificate, just like that. This certificate is from our QC department. And each certificate is for each product. Perfect price performance ratio products. For example, here, our model BGD523, abrasion tester. Maybe most of customers here should know that is maybe someone will call it taper. We offer all necessary accessories with machine together. Besides, you can see that abrasion wheels and resurfacing medium sticks are from taper blend. Because the abrasion medium is a key. If our customer want to compare the test result from using Biuged equipment and taper equipment, say abrasion medium can keep the same test result. So customer just go ahead for Biuged products without any worry. You also can see this is a cleaner. It's together with our machine. So you can start your test once getting the goods. The last, you can see those are part of our customer. Trust, you know, most of them, hopefully they can give you confidence to trust Biuged products. Thank you very much for your patience to listen my speech. Now it's turn to Jack. He will reply your questions since now.